Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about Tony Robbins and the one strategy that he would teach you if he only had time to teach you one thing. It has to do with your body, your physiology, the state that your body is in. He makes an example where he says, if you had to imagine a depressed person, just down in the dumps, depressed, picture that person in your mind and now describe him. And everybody says the same things. What do the shoulders look like? Shoulders are hunched forward. Where's he looking? Looking down. How is he talking? Soft. How is he talking? Fast or slow? Slow. Just like Eeyore, nobody loves me. But when it comes to a person who's confident, who's excited, who's ready for the day, who's ready to accomplish something, those shoulders come back. That physiology is tall. They lengthen themselves. They take up more space with their body. Their shoulders are back. Their eyes are forward. Their voice sounds confident and solid. And that state that your body is in, that's a state of action. And that's the reason that this works. Because what your results are derived from is a direct result of your actions. He always gives the example of somebody who stands in the yard and points at the ground and says, there are no weeds, there are no weeds, there are no weeds. Well, the weeds don't just pull themselves up and run away because you're thinking it or because you're saying it. That's the reason that a lot of times just using affirmations does not work. Just using positive thinking does not work. The reason that affirmations and positive thinking have a positive effect is because they change the way that you think and act. When you change your physiology and you become the physical state of the person that you want to be, ready to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish, it affects your attitude, and your attitude affects your results. Your attitude affects your actions, and those actions create results. So, if you had to learn only one thing to make a positive impact in your life, make sure that it's this. If you can only do the one thing, take charge of your state. Take charge of your physiology. Put those shoulders back. Stand up tall. Meet the world by looking it in the eye and telling the world, I am this and this is what I'm going to accomplish today. And then your attitude will lead you into taking the actions that will bring you the results that you're looking for. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.